Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SAP Fiori apps. Let's get into it. First, log in and open your home page. Open your internet screen, type in your secret username and password, and click the Enter button. Wait for the main page to load fully until you see rows of colorful square buttons on your screen. Because you cannot work on your tasks from the outside, you have to open this home screen so the system knows who you are and shows you the right tools for your specific job. Without this step, you wouldn't be able to see your dashboard or open any of the tools you need today. Next, find and choose your app square. You need to look through your dashboard to find the exact square button that matches the job you want to do. Scroll down your main page or use the top search bar to find the specific tile you need. Move your mouse over to the square tile and click on it once to open the tool. Each square button is like a shortcut to a different room in your office. By clicking the right tile, you tell the computer to close the main menu and open up the exact workspace you need. It ensures you don't waste time clicking around the wrong menus. Next, fill in your search details. Now that you are inside the app tool, you need to tell the computer what information you want to look at by filling out the blank boxes. Click inside the filter boxes at the top and type in your details, like a date or a number. Click the big Go button on the right side of the screen to start the search. Because the system holds a lot of information and you need to narrow it down. By putting your details into the boxes, you tell the computer to hide everything else and only show you the exact files you asked for. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.